Are you ready to embark on a fragrant journey that will unlock the secrets of lavender? From its calming properties to its unexpected culinary uses, we're about to dive into a world of soothing scents and surprising benefits. In this video, we'll cover everything from growing your own lavender plants to creating delicious recipes that will make your taste buds sing. We'll also explore the therapeutic power of lavender and how it can elevate your mind and body to new heights. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the wonders of lavender. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content like this. Let's grow together. Lavender love. Growing, caring, and cooking with nature's soothing herb. Did you know that growing your own lavender can be incredibly easy? This fragrant herb thrives in many areas and requires minimal care. To start, choose a location that receives plenty of sunlight. Lavender loves to soak up those sunny vibes. Next, ensure proper drainage, as lavender does not tolerate soggy soil. Now, let's get planting. The best time to plant is in the spring or early summer, and don't forget to water it regularly, especially during dry spells. With just a little love and attention, you'll soon have a flourishing lavender plant, providing you with an abundance of fragrant blooms. Caring for your lavender plant is essential to keep it healthy and thriving. One key aspect is regular deadheading, which means removing the spent flowers to encourage more blooming. This simple task prevents the plant from going to seed and ensures a continuous display of those beautiful purple blossoms. Additionally, it's crucial to protect your lavender from pests and diseases. These tiny troubles can wreak havoc on your plant's health. Monitor your lavender for any signs of trouble and take appropriate action. With proper care, your lavender plant will reward you with a delightful fragrance that fills your garden and home. Now let's talk about cooking with lavender. This herb adds a unique and delicious flavor to various dishes. When it comes to culinary uses, the possibilities are endless. For instance, lavender honey is a delightful treat that combines the sweetness of honey with the floral essence of lavender. Simply infuse raw honey with dried lavender buds for a touch of herbal magic in every spoonful. Lavender shortbread cookies offer a delectable combination of buttery goodness and subtle floral notes. Infuse the dough with lavender extract or finely chopped lavender buds for a truly enchanting baking experience. And don't forget about lavender lemonade. This refreshing beverage is perfect for warm days. Mix dried lavender buds or lavender syrup with lemon juice and sparkling water for a sip of pure relaxation. With its versatility in the kitchen, lavender is sure to impress your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Elevate your mind and body. The therapeutic power of lavender explored. Lavender has long been recognized for its soothing and relaxing properties. In aromatherapy, lavender essential oil is widely used to promote calmness and alleviate anxiety. Simply inhaling the delicate lavender fragrance can have a calming effect on the mind and body, helping you unwind after a stressful day. Additionally, lavender is known for its potential to aid in sleep. Lavender's relaxing aroma can help induce a peaceful state, making it easier to drift off to dreamland. Diffuse lavender essential oil in your bedroom, or simply sprinkle a few drops on your pillowcase for a restful night's sleep. Furthermore, lavender's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe and calm irritated skin. Incorporate lavender oil into your skincare routine to nourish and soothe your complexion. It's gentle and hydrating. Nature makes it an excellent choice for all skin types. With its multitude of therapeutic benefits, lavender is a natural remedy waiting to be embraced. Now, let's move on to another wonderful aspect of lavender, its deliciousness in the kitchen. Lavender in the kitchen. Delicious recipes and benefits you didn't know about. Lavender shortbread cookies. These melt-in-your-mouth cookies Combine the classic taste of shortbread with the unique aroma of lavender. The dough is incredibly easy to work with, allowing you to create perfectly shaped cookies. As they bake, the kitchen will be filled with a delightful lavender fragrance, teasing your taste buds for the delightful flavors that await. Once out of the oven, these cookies are best enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee, making them the perfect afternoon treat. Lavender lemonade. This refreshing drink is a must-have for any summer gathering. The combination of tart lemon and floral lavender creates a harmonious balance that tantalizes the palate. To make this invigorating beverage, simply muddle lavender buds with lemon juice and sugar, then top it off with sparkling water and garnish with fresh lavender sprigs. Each sip is like a mini vacation, transporting you to a field of blooming lavender under a bright blue sky. Lavender honey. This versatile condiment adds a touch of natural sweetness and a hint of lavender magic to any dish. The process of infusing raw honey with lavender buds is simple yet transformative. The result is a golden elixir that enhances the flavor of toast, yogurt, and drizzled over pancakes. It's like capturing the essence of a lavender field in liquid form. Lavender butter. This aromatic compound elevates the flavor of grilled meats, fish, and vegetables to new heights. By gently simmering butter with lavender buds, you infuse this culinary staple with an exquisite floral taste. The subtle lavender notes complement the rich creaminess of the butter, creating a delightful harmony in every bite. It's the secret ingredient that will make your culinary creations stand out. Lavender ice cream. This decadent dessert is a true showstopper. Imagine creamy vanilla ice cream infused with the soothing aroma of lavender. The floral notes dance on your tongue, creating a unique and unforgettable taste experience. It's the perfect ending to a summer evening, bringing a touch of elegance to any occasion. Mastering lavender. Cultivation, culinary uses, and holistic health tips. Now that we've explored the therapeutic and culinary uses of lavender, let's delve into the holistic health benefits this remarkable herb offers. From promoting relaxation to aiding digestion, lavender has a lot to provide. Its essential oil can be used in massage to soothe tense muscles and alleviate stress. Lavender's calming properties can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of tranquility. Simply inhaling the lavender scent can trigger a relaxation response in the body, calming both the mind and spirit. Additionally, lavender may help improve sleep quality. Its relaxing aroma can promote a peaceful state, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Incorporating lavender into your bedtime routine can lead to more restful nights. Furthermore, lavender is known for its potential to alleviate digestive discomfort. It can help soothe an upset stomach and relieve indigestion. Drinking lavender tea or using lavender oil in a diffuser can aid in relaxation, which in turn promotes better digestion. With its numerous holistic health benefits, lavender is a natural remedy worth exploring. When it comes to growing lavender, choosing the right variety is essential. There are numerous cultivars available, each with its unique characteristics and hardiness zone. Research and select varieties that thrive in your specific climate. This ensures that your lavender plants will flourish and provide you with abundant blooms. Proper planting techniques are crucial for establishing a strong root system and encouraging growth. Plant your lavender at the appropriate depth and spacing to allow for adequate air circulation. This step sets the foundation for a healthy and vibrant lavender plant. Regular watering is vital, especially during dry periods. Although lavender is drought tolerant, it benefits from consistent moisture, especially during its establishment. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot and other issues. Providing adequate water helps your lavender thrive and flourish. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From understanding the different varieties to mastering growing techniques, remember, success with lavender often lies in understanding its unique requirements and providing the necessary care. Thank you for joining us on this lavender journey. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and insights. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your lavender fields be filled with fragrance and beauty.